Meaning of debit.
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 Debit. Debit refers to an accounting entry that reflects a decrease in assets or an increase in liabilities. When a debit is made to an account, it means that there has been a transaction that has caused a reduction in the account balance. This can occur when a payment is made, a purchase is returned, or an expense is incurred. In essence, a debit represents an outflow of funds from an account or a commitment to pay. It is the opposite of a credit, which represents an inflow of funds or income.